Lesson 74, Goal Seek. On this lesson, we'll take a look at a very cool feature that'll allow you to back into an answer very quickly. In the last lesson, we learned how to calculate a car payment, and so we have the payment function here, and I don't like that payment. It's more than I want to pay. So I can sit here and start playing higher lower games, $24,995, $23,995, $24,500, trying to find the price that'll lead to a certain payment. But instead of that, I can just very simply use the Goal Seek function. If we go to Data, What If Analysis, and choose Goal Seek, we get to say that we want to set our payment equal to, let's say, $450 by changing cell B1. When I click OK, Excel plays the higher or lower game very, very quickly until it comes to within a penny of the answer. So there we have it. To get to $450, we need a car that's $22,998.90. I'll click OK, and it hasn't changed my formula at all. This is still a spreadsheet where I can go play what-if games, use a 63-month loan or 66-month loan, or find a lower interest rate, or change the price. It's just a great way to very quickly back into a certain answer. It also kind of amazes me that we can choose any cell. So if we go to What If Analysis, Goal Seek, and I say that I want to set my payment to $475 by changing, let's say, the term. Click OK, and it will discover that I need a 57.3589 month loan. Just try it. Walk into the bank. Go up to the banker and say, hey, I need a loan for 57.3589 months, and see what you get. Anyhow, this is a great way to very quickly back into an answer using Goal Seek. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.